Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get a BMW key fob battery replacement, how to replace the battery. This is a very common key fob used for different years, different models, the Series 3, Series 5, X5, X6 and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. So first we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pressing this button right here. I'm sure you know, but anyway, now we have to take the cover. I'm using a pretty big flathead for that. As you can see, there is a small slot right here, okay? So I just turn it clockwise, okay? No need to apply a lot of pressure. Gently to pull up, gently, okay? Just like that, all the way in, and it comes off, okay? Now, you can use a flathead, a smaller flathead, but same thing. Just make sure that you take it very gently. Take it off very gently. Now the battery, as I said, CR2032, you will need a smaller flathead, okay? So right here, show you, there it is. And it comes out. Once again, this is a good battery, so I will use it again. To change the battery, just slide it in and you press. I'll show you again how to take it. Make sure you use a smaller flathead, not to damage the key fob or the battery. Right here. And it comes out. Once again, to put it back, slide and press. Now, to put the cover, put the left side, you see? This side first. You just like slide it in. And you close. You put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're saying. Thank you.